Hey yo, what's going on you guys? It is FunTube Aviation here, back at it again with another video. And in today's video, we're doing the Christmas haul of 2023. It's only 2 models. I didn't feel like asking for more models because I went to the airplane shop and got 9 models. But let's go ahead and do a double unboxing. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this video. Merry Christmas to you all. Hope you all had an amazing Christmas. I know I did. But without further ado, let's get out of the way. So our models today are the Airbus A321neo for United and the Airbus A319 for Delta. We're gonna go ahead and start with the Delta Airbus A319. I've been waiting for this model for a long time, man, a long time. And I am really excited to finally get this model. So let's go ahead and do the sides. If you notice, hopefully you notice, but this video quality is just a tad bit different. I upgraded my camera to the Sony A7 IV. This wasn't just for YouTube, it was for my videography business as well. But yeah, so here's a flap. High quality videos, especially when I shoot tomorrow's trip report. Well, I'm shooting it tomorrow. It's probably not going to come out for a little while, but yep, here's the model. Let's go ahead and get this baby cracked open. What do you say? I am super excited to finally get this model, man. I mean, people want you to pay like $120, $130 on eBay for one of these things. And now that the A320 is coming out, I'm definitely gonna get multiples of these. I just got one this go around. I'm hoping to get a few more soon. Here is the model. It is super beautiful. It's your standard A319 and your standard Gemini jets kind of model. It's your standard Delta livery as well. But I am so excited to finally get this freaking thing. And the A320 I'm even more excited about. But yeah, definitely picking up more than one of these. Yeah, this is the first one and I can't wait to get more. But let's go ahead, move on. Alright, let's go ahead and move on to the United A321neo. This is another model that I'm pretty excited about because United just opened up service with it. And I'm quite excited to finally, get this for the fleet and then also have this for future airport projects. So let's go ahead and get started. Here's the front of the box. Here are the sides. Here's the back of the box. Let's go ahead and crack this baby open. So in 2 weeks, this is the second, or 3 weeks now, sorry. Second A321 I've unboxed. Or no, third actually, yeah. I did a JetBlue and a American in the 9 model haul. Alright, so here is the model. It is the new beautiful blue United livery, the new livery has really grown on me, and I'm starting to really like it. But yeah, let's go ahead and do a spin of the model. It's also a standard new United livery and standard Gemini Dutch quality with the standard A320 mold, A321 Neo mold, sorry. But yeah, holy, this thing is absolutely beautiful. It's a stunning plane. Yeah, so those are the two models for this year's Christmas haul. Anyways guys, that'll do it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next week for another video. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I'll see you guys after the new year in 2024. Anyways guys, see you all next year. And this is FunTube Aviation signing off.